Clean up the paper for teacher. Clean up the paper. Good job. You chose the correct one. Good job. Very good.
Put the paper in the pan. Toss it in the pan.
Clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up. Put the paper in the pan. Bits of papers, bits of papers. Amari, what do you use to clean up the water? Clean the water up for teacher. Clean up the water. Take something from here and clean up the water. You take the mop or the dustpan or the mop. Which one you use to clean the water up? The hard brush? Okay. So you're cleaning up the water with a brush. No, you don't clean the water with that. Take something else. What do you clean the water with? Take your time. Choose something. No, not that. What do you clean the water up with? Look around. Look around. Yes. Go around. Look carefully. What do you use to clean the water up? Yes. Good job. Very good. Clap for him. Very good. Clean the water up now. Yes, the sponge will clean the water up. Good job.